Hello, the viewers, aka Internet Land. This is the Aaron Dunn speaking. I am here because, well, I am going to be unboxing this new inbox Clarity's XLC3.4 DECT 6 cordless phone. No answer machine was included with this one, but I got this guy at the Sweet Repeats today, along with a Vornado's. I didn't even mention the model number, but the model number was PIVOT3C, which is a 6-inch swivel fan, which was kind of dusty when I found it. But anyways, here is the unboxing. Let's go ahead and open this thing and see what we got in here. Woohoo! Well, it looks like we got the installation guide, which is pretty amazing. Both of them you need to pull apart. That would be the phone cord or power cord and the phone line cord. You can either have it desk mounted or wall mounted. I would prefer the desk mounted option. Okay, so charging the battery, the retire interior or pull, and then charge battery 16 hours before first use. Anything that would have kept everything from going in separate places. But anyways, here is the user's manual, which I'm surprised that I think they have the manual. And what's this? Oh, that may have been the serial number. Anyways, here's the user's manual, which I'm surprised to actually come with the manual. This is the user's manual right here. This was made in the late 2000s or in the late 2010s because it says here 2016, which this phone was made in the 2018. This one was actually very, very recent. Here is the phone line cord, the very first one. Then we got the second one, which is the shorter one. And then we got the wall mounting bracket, which I can't seem to get it out of here. Okay, there we go. Here's the wall mounting bracket. All right, now for the power cord. This is switching power supply, which kind of looks like VTech and AT&T. It's the VTech AT&T Clarity's S006AKU0600060, with the input being at 100 to 120 volts at 60 hertz with 200 milliamps of power, with the output being at 6 volts at the 800 or 600 milliamps. Unfortunately made in China, but hopefully it'll last much longer. Alright, and here is the base. Ain't this surprising? This is the base. Now here's the phone line input and the power input, which is the 6 volts. And then here is the one of the tabs that was already pulled out. Now for the other one, this is the other tab. I'm surprised I actually found this guy though at the Sweet Repeats along with the other fan. Here is the back of the handset, which this is the 3.5 millimeter headset jack, which is right above here. Don't worry about it. Let me go and pull it back in. Okay, it's supposed to be pulled back in, but Who knows? I can't do it. Okay, and then this is the handset itself. All right, and here are the options right here on the right side of the handset, or the right side. That's the ringer, and that's the neck loop. And then this one happens to feature the intercom and the tone buttons, and then the volume. Caution, loud volume, it says. So let's see what type of battery we have in this. We have, the original batteries. They're nickel metal hydride batteries. I'm surprised they even have nickel metal hydride batteries in this guy. 3 of them. So yeah, they look exactly like Panasonic's model, which don't seem to be all that close. All right. Now, I will end up plugging this thing in and seeing what it does. Anyways, that would be it for the unboxing of the Clarity's XLC3.4 DECT 6 cordless phone that I got from the Sweet Repeats. And this one was 25% off today, which is not bad at all. Anyways, that would be it for this video. May God bless every one of you.